Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 11th of April. United Nations fails to adopt resolution on Syria. The United Nations Security Council failed to adopt a resolution about an investigation in the chemical weapons strike issue in Syria. Russia vetoed the US draft resolution, while the Russian draft resolution failed to pass. Trump in May stated that the world must act after the suspected chemical attack in Syria. However, Russian UN ambassador urged the US to refrain from any action it may be planning on Syria. Should tensions rise even further, we could see uncertainty prevail and safe havens as well as oil rise. EURUSD rose yesterday and during today's Asian morning and broke the 123.55 resistance level, now turned to support. The rally was sparked by some comments made by Austria's central bank governor Nowotny about the possibility of the ECB ending the QE program, which were later on refuted by the ECB. The pair could drop today as the US financial data due out later in the day could strengthen the US dollar. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 123.55 support line again and aim for the 122.30 support barrier. On the other hand, should it come under selling interest, we could see it aiming for the 124.95 resistance line. Cryptos under surveillance. Media reported that the British FCA said on Friday that firms offering services linked to cryptocurrencies would likely require its authorization. The regulation also includes a number of derivatives. On the same note, Australia also clamps down on regulation of cryptos, as all digital currency exchange providers with operations in Australia must register with AUSTRAC as part of the country's anti-money laundering efforts. On other news, mining gets more and more energy consuming and cryptocurrency miners seek cheap energy in Norway and Sweden. Overall, as regulators seem to be on the move, the outlook for Bitcoin remains negative. Bitcoin entered a sideways movement in the past few days between the 7,425 resistance line and the 5,710 support line. Technically, please be advised that Bitcoin has broken the downward trend line incepted since the 5th of March and is currently moving in a sideways manner. We see the case for the cryptocurrency to continue to move in a sideways manner currently. However, we retain the negative outlook as regulators may intensify efforts to set the crypto market under control. Should the bulls take the reins, we could see the cryptocurrency breaking the 7,425 resistance line, while on the other hand, should the bears have the upper hand, we could see it breaking the 5,710 support line. In today's other economic highlights, during today's European morning, we get UK's industrial output, manufacturing output, and trade balance figure, all for February. In the North American session, we get the US headline and core CPI rates for March, which are forecasted to accelerate and could support the US dollar. Also, we get the crude oil inventories, and last but not least, the minutes of FOMC's last meeting will be released and could move the US dollar. As for speakers, European Central Bank President Mario Draghi speaks. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.